Oh, yeah. This video is gonna be a crazy one. It was not the whole video, but I was going nuts with the Mammoth pistol. I was hitting headshots back to back. Obviously getting pumped in the face, crashing out, normal, so just enjoy this video. Back to this again. Like always. Yummy. Oh, so good. We're about to catch a dub at Superman. Superman! Ha! Pitiful! Pitiful! We're gonna commit 9/11. Oh yeah, Superman. Oh, I got fizzy. Oh. Oh! Oh, he's down. Superman got that fatty. Can you like hop off? Maybe hop off. Maybe hop off. I'm just getting leftovers. I got one shot at my shotgun. What the? My shield case. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Yeah, it's protected. Yeah, screw you. Hey, stop shooting that pistol. Hey, hey, y'all sweats. Woo, woo. Yeah, hop off my nuts. Wait. Yeah. Oh, Superman with the dumpy. Ah! Suspect spotted. Suspect spotted. Ah! I missed. Try that again on me. Get back here. You're not running away, bud. I can't stand Superman with that. Yeah! Superman's about to get me killed because I'm just gonna get distracted. Oh, boxed up. Coned myself. I'm just 10 for 0. Yo, I'm trying to fight this other guy here. Can you hop off my willy? Oh, when I say hop off, I didn't mean to come closer. Oh, he has a sky. Someone's getting whipped. My loot! My loot! I got the kill. Bro! Oh, I don't have mats. I'm gonna have to fight this guy. Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah, I'm nutty with this, not gonna lie. No! No! I was so close. No! Oh yes, we're playing on the worst map. All right, gamers, we're going booming. Like I said, 5 big booms. No, we traded. Come on. He's back. He's back. That's not him. Yeah. This map sucks! Yeah! It's the good map! Why did I just hear a cow moo? And... oh my god, Superman. Yeah! Oh, he's got a charge. Assault! More like sexual assault. Who is this? I'm not losing this. Go! I just want my we're back. All right, bud. What are you doing here? Building another twin tower. Press the shoot button. Go get him, Superman. All right. Let's not die within the first 5 minutes of landing. Okay, we might die. I just got an RPG. We might die. I just got a red eye. Oh! Oh, Bomb Storm! You're so fast! You're touching my funnel! Nice try. Oh my! Oh my god, this guy didn't have mats either. Stop! Oh my god. I'm up. Black man! Black man! Black man! Another black man! Another black man! Ah! Break! I scared. That guy scared me. He spooked me. He tickled my butt.
Hey, yep.
Woo! Mantle. Mantle. Bro, what? I'm so confused on what happened. Sixth place, are you serious? Racks in my bag, from the bank, from the bank.